Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, I'd like to say thank you for the support, for the subscribers, and yeah, I want to say I'm grateful for all that you've done. Today I'm back with another video. I want to do some cooking, guys. I want to cook some lentils. I believe so many people know what lentils is, and some chapatis. If you are a Kenyan, I'm sure you know what chapatis are. So guys, how about we get ready and start the cooking. As you can see here, we have our lentils are already boiling. We're gonna boil them first before we cook, before we fry them. So yeah, let them boil as we go and prepare our dough for the chapatis. So we have some salt over here, and this is the bowl that we're gonna use. Yeah. So guys, our lentils are almost ready. Let me show you. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Okay. There it is. Almost ready. Almost ready. You can see it's almost ready. The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it finally. Mama tu hivyo nikupikie maji ya kwanza ukule.
Ukule na dengu.
Kamande.
Na dengu. Si kamande. Dun. kamande. Kamande. Mom, Japan is red. Japan. Japan. So, nanti. Ini. Dengu. Dengu like komodo.
Songa nyuma huko.
Mom, kamu nadangani Leda break kartun. Yangu.
Hakuna mtu anasema ni yake, ni yako.
Mami ko 4.